Hello, my dear friends. Well, how do you declutter? How do you begin when there's clutter everywhere? You have to start with the storage areas, or what I call hidden clutter. The things in the cabinets, the things in the drawers, the things in the closet, the things on the floors under the bed, everywhere that you have stuff that doesn't let you store more stuff. Because the things, if you've got that much clutter, the things that are out, that are laying around, are probably the things you're really using, needing, and love. But you have no place to put it because all your cabinets are jammed full. So we're going to start with opening a cabinet door and decluttering that cabinet for 15 minutes. Throw away the trash. Put the giveaway in a box in the back of your car so you can give it away, and put in a basket, put things that don't belong there so you can take them where they do belong. That's it for today. Have a great day.